Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves for its innovative approach to skincare and hair care, the Jolie Filtered Showerhead with shower water filter system. Now, you may be wondering, what makes this showerhead so unique? Well, Jolie claims to be the only clinically proven shower filter that helps reduce hair shedding, with results that are lab-tested and verified by over 158 top publications. With over 225,000 customers and the most awarded shower filtration system, it promises to not only improve your hair care, but also elevate your overall shower experience. So let's break it down. The Jolie Showerhead is designed to improve both your hair and skincare routine by filtering your shower water, claiming to reduce hair shedding by up to 46% on average. The filter uses a combination of KDF 55 and calcium sulfite to give you cleaner water, far exceeding NSF 177 certifications. With its soft-touch faceplate and sleek, timeless design, it's meant to be both functional and stylish. Installation is a breeze, taking just 20 seconds, and it fits all standard US shower heads. Now let's talk real-world experience. Installing the Jolie Showerhead was incredibly simple. I followed the instructions, which were straightforward and easy to understand. In under 20 seconds, I was ready to go. When it comes to performance, the difference was noticeable immediately. The water pressure is high and consistent, making for a satisfying shower experience. As for the filtering effect, while it's hard to measure the exact chemical changes in the water, the softness of the water is tangible. My skin felt less irritated after a few showers, and the overall water quality felt smoother. In terms of hair care, I've been using the Jolie for a few weeks, and I can honestly say my hair feels softer and more manageable. I haven't had any drastic changes yet in hair shedding, but I'll be sure to update my experience if I see further improvements. It's important to note, though, that results vary, and what works for one person might not work for another. Now let's weigh the pros and cons of the Jolie Filtered Showerhead. On the plus side, it's incredibly easy to install and use. The sleek design doesn't hurt either. It definitely adds a touch of luxury to your shower. The filtration system also seems to be effective at making the water feel softer, which is a bonus for those with sensitive skin or those looking to protect their hair from drying out. On the flip side, while the showerhead claims to reduce hair shedding, the results may take time to notice, and some users might not see immediate drastic changes. When it comes to value for money, at less than 37 cents per day, the Jolie Filtered Showerhead positions itself as an affordable investment for people looking to improve their hair and skin health. Considering its performance and the convenience it offers, it seems fairly priced, though the long-term effects on hair shedding and skin hydration will be the true test of its value. So, how does it stack up against similar products? There are other high-pressure shower heads with built-in filters, but Jolie stands out because of its clinical backing. Many of its competitors might offer filtration, but they don't necessarily come with the same level of scientific evidence proving their effectiveness in hair care. If hair shedding is a major concern for you, the Jolie Showerhead may be worth considering over others. In terms of build quality, the Jolie is solid. It's lightweight, but doesn't feel flimsy. The materials used for the showerhead and the filter itself feel durable and well-made. As for longevity, I haven't had the product long enough to speak to long-term reliability, but given the reputation of the brand and the quality of the materials, I'd expect it to hold up well over time. Now, I didn't have the chance to interact with Jolie's customer support team directly, but the company's strong reputation and positive reviews give me confidence that any issues would be addressed promptly. Before we wrap up, if you're on the fence, just a quick reminder to like this video if you found this review helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more beauty and personal care tips right here on Beautyistic. To sum it all up, the Jolie Filtered Showerhead does deliver on its promises of cleaner water, smoother skin, and more manageable hair. If you're struggling with hair shedding or dry skin, this product might be just what you need. It's easy to install, performs well, and offers a solid value proposition, While the results may take a little time to fully show, it's certainly a worthy consideration for anyone looking to upgrade their shower routine. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've tried the Jolie Showerhead or have any questions about it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, for more reviews, tips, and tricks, don't forget to check the comments for the link to get your own Jolie Showerhead. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay hydrated, and keep it beautyistic.